He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Good evening. I want to quickly take apart one of the water pumps because I did find the replacement switches. I'm going to drop that cover off on that guy right there and confirm that he is not working because of pressure transducer. So that guy came to life all of a sudden once I had removed the housing. Great. Why is that leaking? It's obviously a pressure transducer because I can take it apart and somewhat starts working. So we'll get a new transducer and replace it and see how that goes. I may go ahead and replace the pump, I don't know yet. We're back up here doing a few minor things. We had a couple ropes that got chafed through during the storm, so we're going to try a couple different chafe guards. Cut up some nylon material here. I'm going to go put these on the rope.
All right, let's go.
So, this was brand new rope. We already got a little bit of chafe on it. I took some of the tension off of it, so it hasn't been under as much tension now. Can't go much smaller. Yeah, there was a couple different chafe spots. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where's this one gonna go?
On one of these, I guess. Now these are smaller lines. I did get 4 more 3/4, so we'll eventually swap out all the lines with 3/4.
Are you gonna make some more?
We can, or maybe you can do that.
Okie dokie.
That was the forward dock line during the storm, during Milton, yeah. It definitely got lots of wear. In fact, one of the members of the club put a second line on when they saw that. That was just about all the way through. And then
That one did go all the way through.
well, but it wasn't chafing that did this one in. It got blown up on the dock and got wrapped around the eye and then got jerked and at some point just snapped it because it was being pulled around that eye.
Oh, wow. So here is the chafe material. He wants me to cut. How many did you say?
5 more.
5 more.
Now you can go ahead and make all of them. Just cut them foot length and get up. 10 more. More left.
We heat up the edges and it melts so it doesn't unravel. And the other end. Ah! Got me. We are going to move this bad boy from the top of the workbench to the wall over here. But we have to glue up some support pieces first. There. Okay, glued.
That one. That one. There.
One.
Yeah.
I was attempting to move the intercom phone in the equipment room. Will it stay up there?
Yeah, it should. These are cabinets for the lighting controls and network controls and odds and ends, especially for my office back here. There'll be quite a few network cables running to the different pieces of equipment and everything, and this will be where the switches will be contained.
And we're just putting the doors on.
Yeah, we're
So he
getting
put
the
that
doors.
door on, and he's putting this one,
Yeah.
last one on.
Maybe I'm putting this one on. Come on. Well, let's try it from the bottom. There we go.
We bought some new stuff for getting onto the boat from the finger pier. And I'm going to put them together. Oh, look at that fancy flagstone imprint. Did you know it had that? Installation instructions. Okay, combine one step with 2 side panels. Combine another step with 2 side panels. Aha! Anti-slip tape. Bill's getting high down here.
Yeah.
Off of plumber's glue.
PVC glue. Anyway, we're finally plumbing in the new central vac so we can use it to vacuum the boat, obviously.
We've had this installed for a very long time.
Yeah, well, we had a different one.
A different one, yeah.
But it
And we used it a lot. We broke it back when we were sucking up a lot of
rust and,
grinded,
yeah.
ground up rice. Ground up rust. Is this the second one or third one?
Well, they sent us a replacement motor the first time. The other one died. This is the second unit.
Third? Same company?
No, different company. Begins with a P. I don't know. It says Hepa-Shill Alariduct Prolux. Cleaning reinvented.
So have we used this one?
Nope.
At all?
Nope. Correct. At all. No. We installed it, but then we were like, well, we don't want to damage it.
We wanted to save it for just living aboard dirt, not construction dirt.
I'm finally going to start using it. This is where I'm working, trying to get that over to there. Okay, so we're gonna come in there.
Bill finished connecting the central vac. This is a temporary plug-in for our hose. Ooh, and we have suction. My job today is to vacuum. But I love vacuuming. It's calming. What interesting content. Vacuum meditation on blue sky. Alright, that's enough. Well, you don't have to watch the rest of this vacuuming. Later, we're cleaning up for tomorrow's cockpit crawl. That's a little better. But this is scary.
Got the bathroom a little more cleaned up. You can actually walk in here, shower, toilet area, vanity eventually.
So today is October 19th and the cockpit crawl has officially started. Bill's got a group that's taking a tour right now. And I'm waiting for the next group.